Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will stop notifications by preventing update checks and changing local settings. First, save all files and close Photoshop. If you don't, preferences won't write. Next, back up your preferences file so you can restore defaults if needed. Then quit the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app to avoid it immediately querying updates. Once done, make sure Creative Cloud won't relaunch automatically by exiting it from the system tray or menu bar. This keeps Photoshop isolated while you change settings. Now you'll turn off the checks that trigger the time to update notification. Open Photoshop and go to Preferences, then General. Uncheck any boxes mentioning Show Welcome Screen, Show Updates, or Release Notes so Photoshop stops prompting. Next, open the Creative Cloud desktop app, go to the Apps tab, and disable Auto Update for Photoshop. This prevents remote update prompts. If a checkbox for Notify Me about updates exists, turn it off. These steps stop both app-level and cloud-driven reminders. Finish by restarting the Creative Cloud app and launching Photoshop to confirm notifications are gone. Changes require a relaunch to take effect. If the prompt persists, quit apps, rename or delete the Photoshop preferences file so the app creates a fresh one. This removes corrupted flags causing repeats. Make sure your system notification settings don't override app controls. If nothing helps, you can block Adobe Update domains in your host's file as a last resort, but be careful. This prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.